Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 255 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Forerunner 255. So turning on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Forerunner 255 can be useful first. Maybe you want to save some battery life, or you're seeing this light at night and you want to turn it off. Additionally, maybe you accidentally turned off your heart rate monitor and you want to turn it back on. All right, so to turn on or off the heart rate monitor on our Garmin Forerunner 255, the first thing we need to do is open the menu, and we do that by holding the up button. Then we just simply need to go down until we get to wrist heart rate. So go ahead and toggle that on. Now, the first setting for status, that is going to be the on or off switch for your heart rate monitor. So if I select that to turn it off, it's going to let me know that it's going to disable several features on the watch. So from here, just hit the start or stop button, and then that will turn it off. Now, if you go into these settings and you see the status is off, you can turn it on by hitting the start or stop button. And then when you do that, the heart rate monitor will be turned back on. And now below, we can see some of the settings for ensuring that the heart rate monitor turns on when you're swimming. So if you're doing an activity for that, and then you can go in and configure abnormal heart rate alerts for low heart rate or high heart rate, or even broadcast your heart rate. And then we can also determine if the pulse ox will be turned on or off. So if I go in here, we can have it on all day, during sleep only, or on demand. All right, so that was a quick overview of the wrist heart rate settings on your Garmin Forerunner 255 and then how to disable it or enable it. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 255 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.